Hey everyone, Tim of the Knott Network here to give you a walking tour of the Gold Mine Trail. There's a game of tic-tac-toe to the right as you walk in. Normally this area is open during Scary Farm. About a year or two ago, a couple years ago, they opened it up for Christmas time. And then now it's been a thing every other season. There's about 4 vendors out here. One of them has peanuts and nuts and all kinds of things like that. Lots of signs, themed signs everywhere. Bunting flags for 4th of July coming up. The next vendor was a tea vendor. All kinds of tea. Mary tried the boysenberry iced tea. It was good. Third vendor was popcorn. Pop's Kennel Corn. You get amazing views of Ghost Rider. Normally, you would only see this at night, but this time you get to see it at day. Probably the best area to get your beer, wine, and all that good stuff when it's a busy day. Because lately it hasn't been so busy back here. If you don't know where this area is, go all the way to the Ghost Rider exit and you'll see the opening. The photo op from Boysenberry Festival is still around. Look at Widows over there. You now can take pictures with Whittles back here. He will only be back here now. There's also some restrooms back here, although they're not very big, so just keep that in mind. All kinds of signs everywhere. Next vendor up had beef jerky and some chimole snacks. Definitely want to try some of their beef jerky when we come back. Last vendor had lots of art pieces, stickers, lots of cool stuff. Even our favorite, horror and Halloweeny stuff. Yeah. It's a nice area back here. Plenty of places to sit if you can't find a seat near Ghost Town. There's also food back here. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom, Cookie Trails, and Tucker Time. See y'all next video.